Hello, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time in here, you are highly welcome. Please do subscribe, okay, and leave the notification bell on so that you always be notified whenever I post a new video. So to my old days, to my old subscribers, I really appreciate you all. God bless you. So in today's video, I want to show you how to make simple breakfast. It is perfect recipe for this Easter season and it's very easy to make and it looks yummy. So let's get started. The ingredients we'll be needing for this recipe: soft bread, vegetable, carrots, cabbage, lettuce, chicken breast, mayonnaise, butter, and salt to taste. You can as well add pepper. So let's put them together. In a bowl, add the chicken. Now season it with some pepper and salt and small seasoning, though it's optional. Mix it very well. Now I will move it to fry it in a frying pan. Okay, in another mixing bowl, transfer the shredded cabbage, carrots, lettuce, and the chicken paste which we have just fried. Now add in some mayonnaise. Mix it very well. If you don't want to use the mayonnaise, you can use avocado spread or some yogurt, because you need something moist, to combine all the vegetables together. Now set it aside. So in another flat surface, bring in the bread slice. Use the rolling pin and roll out the bread very flat, okay? Make sure it's very flat so that you'll be able to fold it. So this is the reason why you should use very soft bread, so that you'll be able to flatten it well. After you have rolled the bread, now coat the bread surface with some butter. Afterwards, I put the mixture of the vegetable at one side of the roll out slice and start to roll it tiny and firmly to the other side to form the perfect bread roll. This recipe is great for children breakfast. After rolling, get a pan and apply small cooking oil and place the raw bread and allow it to brown and turn to the other side. Okay. Yeah, my people, the super breakfast is ready. The bread roll, hope you like it. It's very yummy, it's very easy and quick to make for children this Easter season. Okay, put a smile in their face. I love this and my kids are waiting to finish it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching to this moment. I really appreciate you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do help us to subscribe, okay? And remember to leave the bell icon on so that you will always notify whenever we post a new video. And to my returning subscribers, my supporters, or like I always say, I will never take you guys for granted. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you all. Until I see you again in my next video. Bye for now.